G'day friends, how you going? I've been trying to work out what the hell happened with that the fire in the furnace. And so I spent a bit of the afternoon on Google chasing around, seeing what I could do. But what I reckon, anyway, is I've obviously made a pretty terminal mix. So let's see. So what was there? Firstly, we had aluminium oxide in the form of the dross. It looks dry, sitting on top of the molten aluminium. There was zinc present. There was zinc in the radiator, and there was also magnesium present. It's also part of the mix that the radiator's made out of. There was also iron oxide. It's present in the form of rust. So I've got a carbon steel crucible that I just made out of an old bed frame. It had picked up a bit of rust overnight, and I don't know whether that's really enough to do it, but certainly created a pretty bloody hot fire. So what I think I've inadvertently done is create a thermite mix of sorts. Thermite's it's highly combustible, and depending on the ratios, which I must have gotten pretty much right, can create an extreme combustion rate, lots of smoke, lots of heat, hot enough to burn through the insulation, which is I've never been able to make anything else that hot. I did get some large explosions in the furnace. You can hear one in that video. But yeah, that was only a small one compared to the ones I didn't get on camera. So yeah, quite loud and did lots of damage to the equipment I was using. I'm just thinking I might just take it out to a better location and do a bit of a more controlled burn of the same substances, and see if I can replicate the burble and catch it all on camera. I'll probably never be able to do it again, but I might just give that a try. So that's something for the fairly near future to give a go. All right, guys. Catch you later. Have a good night.